want any Kool-Aid?
I had some. I bought some from Christy. Why, do you have some?
Yeah, we made more money than them.
You did not.
Dad, we made a lot more.
She might bought some from a regular adult.
Huh?
Huh? She got Kool-Aid mustache coat.
What's up, Marky?
Nothing.
You like your dad's pretty new car?
Last night.
What, his old car? What's he gonna do with that now?
Are you think
I'm trying it out. What's your dad gonna do with his old car? It's a nice car.
June 26, 1988. Elkhart races. Kevin Helinski battles it out with Doug Poland, who sucks, and Bubba Schobert. He was dicing in turn 4 when Poland closed the door on him. As you can see over here, Kevin wiped.
I wiped.
He went down hard. Poland then regained the lead.
Only blown away by Bill on that.
Bubba Schobert tried closing the door. Scott Seidel came out on the track and pushed Poland on his ass.
And then
went down. Helinski went on to win the race, but wait, a new news line. Motocross.
Steve G takes win 125 C-Class Championship, king of the hole shots, and Jeff Johnson has trouble getting out of first gear. See this? Kawasaki, 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 Kawasaki. They all suck. See that? It says right there. Suck.
And there you have it, folks. Live from Elkhart Lake.
But the Tanqueray is still intact.
We needed that. Kevin drank 2 or 3 bottles before
I had to pour some in the
diced
gas
it.
tank to make it back.
Before he diced with Kevin's Poland.
Before I got road rash.
Dateline, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, June 24th, 1988. Patrick slides into the parking spot at 90 miles an hour, biffing the neighbor's car accordingly.
Did you tell the neighbor about that?
Back to Elkhart Lake.
Get out of here.
Kevin Helinski, a worn out man.
I'm wiped.
He's done wiped for the evening.
I'm wiped.
Over here, his battle of the twin bikes. It's been used,
Did you
abused,
see the one out there, the Beamer? The
and
black
wiped.
one? I took a picture of it. You know what I had? My professional camera with me. I had to take it out of my dirt bike. This camera's been wiped.
Had this bike been a Honda,
I would have won every class.
things would have been different.
But it sucks.
Things will never be the same, folks. This bike,
Loud.
it's been wiped.
Or make some noise for us.
She's ready to go to sleep. She's been awake all day. She made noise for your mom this afternoon.
Yeah?
You can film her on Thursday, yeah. It's Thursday. 'Cause Thursday is when I have my surgery, and his mom is going to watch Truden for me. And Kevin's going to take me to the hospital. Oh, what I died.
And look for a lens.
And look for a lens. I'm going to go lens shopping for my camera. Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I'm getting all hyper on that electrical switch.
She's being so quiet.
Mm-hmm. Well, Thursday you get to change her and hold her and everything.
Oh no.
She's easier to hold now. She doesn't wibble as much.
You're Dick.
Come on, cook one of them up.
Dr. Dick. Cooking up the best food this here side of the Pecos. What you need is a little baby shit. This is fresh from Dana's asshole. Just wanted to let everybody know that. So you spread some of this baby shit on here like that.
Uh-huh.
And that's fucking good enough.
No, you got, what else you gotta have on there?
Then you gotta have some fucking goat's milk in
Man,
there.
these cats bought you a nice microwave for your wedding, didn't they?
Yeah.
They weren't no cheapskates.
Who picked it up?
Then you put some goat's milk on there accordingly. You gotta have some sizzle sounds on the grill, or else it ain't worth piss.
Get a close-up on that shit.
Then, some nigger olives. Don't forget them. For God's sakes, don't forget them.
Last.
Then,
What is it?
this is from Terry's hole. You need some of this.
Oh no, don't say that!
Don't even say that!
Oh!
Spread liberally about the perimeters of the lip area,
Spread
as per. Let cook,
for 100 hours on 5 degrees.
and have your Oregon Tanqueray.
Hey, you want to catch this one in the microwave?
Yeah. I'm gonna catch it when you take
Look
it
at
out.
the cheese is bubbling.
Ease up.
No. I got some nigger olives bouncing around. Okay. Here we go.
Alright, we'll get it when you take it out here.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
that is a Oregon shit to behold.
that is some shit to be.
I won't be holding it for
Yeah,
long.
I didn't finish mine yet. We'll eat some here.
Here we have your basic shit mess of shit.
Meal. There's a can of refried Mexican shit.
This is shit.
Hey, you fucking heard.
You know, we wouldn't be eating this shit except after you wipe a few times. You get a little hungry from wiping.
Mm-hmm.
You need
But-
shit.
When you wipe, you dump everything you got already in your bowels, so you might as well throw them back up.
Oh, let's go with beans on it. I was calling sick tomorrow and just keep right on party.
I better have one of these.
Put shit on it. Put this camera in the cheese and shit.
It's still on.
Is it? Cool.
I'm browning this shit. She's still rolling. Want a little browning on here. Put some
Did your
shit.
Did the shit get higher than you?
Kevin's pounding
This
shit.
shit won't come off the spoon.
Wipe it off. Wipe.
It's wiped. How can you eat this shit? No wonder they all lay in the gutters and wear sombreros. You think about it, what the fuck?
It is shit.
He's pounding shit. You know why? If Doug Poland would have ate this shit.
Oh,
He sucks, but
you could have seriously wiped. I gotta. This shit. How do you work this thing? How does this. I just turned it off. Oh, I gotta put some cheese on it. What are you fucking doing? Some cheese. See, cheese. Oh, there's some in the lens here. Let me get it.
Max.
Is that all you got? I need some of this too. Cheese. One mouthpiece. I can put the other shit in later. How do you work this thing?
pound.
Figure it Start. 1,
Put some time in there first.
7, 9.
Pound.
Oh, that's too much.
How the?
Up to the top. Yeah.
Put a time in. Start.
2 minutes.
9 hours?
Dick.
9 o'clock on a Sunday evening,
And what are we
and everybody's fork in the head is wiped.
And we are gonna pound the grill
There, 8 hours and 99 minutes.
here.
How can that work? That is working like that. Oh, it's 8 hours and 91 seconds. There's cheese on here yet. Look at that shit. I can just cancel it at any time. I'm gonna have to because it's gonna blow up.
Hey, that last one I ate was too
Red Tangy. See that? Red Tangy. See? See where it goes?
chopped in the woods.
There's Unicorn, man. 9 fucking homos were chasing him around today this track. They all try to wipe his back end.
This
With
thing's
their tongue.
making like a volcano here.
Oh, I forgot to brown the other side.
You
That's
fucked
okay.
up.
Fucking rookies.
I wonder if this shit's gonna explode.
Look at this shit we're eating.
Look what you guys drink.
You know, this shit's done.
Is that still on? It's blinking away.
Not really fun.
This has to be brown now. You done browning yours?
No.
Put this in the dish pan, try to save this there. Where's Cheryl?
She's missing some good ones.
Yeah, she's missing some good action here. What is this shit?
Pepper gut sauce. These are great.
We got the recipe. What this is done. Pretty hot.
Yeah, that's what we should do, Kevin. Buy a little microwave for the cabin.
I was gonna get one, yeah.
It's only like $90 these days.
Oh, look at this shit.
Oh,
That stuff's a lot warmer than that other sauce, let me tell you.
this stuff here?
Yeah, it is.
Good though. Look at this table. Well, just 3 more, you know what that means.
We'll have to
We're
wear
showing
them.
the
We should have
rasp
one more.
together for the first time.
Keep that on, man.
Oh, well, there's more cheese.
Yeah, there is.
Where?
Oh, cheese pounded?
I just pounded this past twice.
Say it ain't so.
Do we have any more?
Well,
Find something. Maybe we got truffles we don't use.
There's gotta be, cheese strings. String cheese in the bottom.
easy.
That's like Monterey.
Where?
Right there. Shrooms.
Oh, shrooms, yeah. Yeah. Mozzarella. We can have pizza burritos, man.
Fuck it, I'm just gonna make a bean one.
Oh.
Look at this, I'm pounding some of this dog food on
Oh,
there.
you have to flip it.
I did, just flipped it.
Stop fucking doing
Yeah, everybody's eating this shit, so nobody's throwing up yet. Everybody gets
what's gonna
more.
happen tomorrow. We're gonna be like Tony. I can't go to work.
I
because
can't go to work because
I'm gonna be sick.
We pounded too many what? What are these things called anyway?
Quasi fucking dahlias.
Quasadelias.
Hold on, man, there's one more show over there for you.
You can have it. I'm ahead of the game.
Bean Delia's.
Beanadelias. With your red tangs.
Red Tangies.
Tangy.
You fucking
Tangy red
weird.
ones. The tangy red eyes. There you go.
No?
Don't say that about Timmy.
Don't say that about my mommy. My mommy.
And furthermore, don't slap Malcolm.
And don't slap her tail.
31 seconds, that's perfect. That's a number.
Am I right?
That thing's pretty complicated.
Yeah, I know. That is a nice microwave you bought.
Yeah.
Gotta put a G00, G90.
G90, G40,
G-Specs.
12, P for 31 seconds. You better have another one, Kevin. There's 2 more.
MO4 TL6. What?
Why?
What?
Why are these 2 Y's in here?
That's a crash move.
Kevin was stomping right in the school. We're scrolling right in the Kevin, look, I'm not the only one that makes mistakes. This is gonna be the creme de la creme.
Oh, it looks like it.
It's gonna be. You can get the mozzarella sticks out if you want.
No.
Melt one of them on there.
You better save them.
Fuck that.
Some other day.
Just heat them up.
Blast them on your forehead.
Just eat a quesadilla shell.
Heat it up and spread some brown sugar on there and pretend it's what Macaulay left up.
What? Don't you say that?
This was cool out there, you know, it would have been, it's just like you said, there was too much ground to try to cover. You know, we went and bought a pit passes. It was cool.
Look at this chopping board.
It was cool we had the pit passes.
We should just leave and chill.
Oh, Bubba, right after his race, he would have came back to his pit and wanted to take a shower instead of be sitting out there all stinky and everything. We would have been right there. We were the only people standing there.
Oh, yeah?
A bunch of kids were standing there, and then we kind of pushed him out of the way, so they were back by his trailer and shit. So we were making a, John and me are on one side, Kerry and Josh making a little pathway for him to ride his scoop right into. We'd clothesline that fucker and have him sign some shit. Remember when Bob jumped out the top of his truck? He was gonna clothesline that dude. The dude rides next to his truck on his bike. Bob jumps up.
Look at that. That looks fucking great.
You're gonna put that in your yap.
You know what? That's gonna be one of the best films that's been taken in a while.
Take that to Millville.
I thought Pat we gotta go up by you and ride some weekend. Cause he's pretty nuts on his quads.
Bet Tony don't have his anymore.
Well, he's the one that had
someone
that
to
ride
ride
with.
with.
Yeah.
Yeah. He used to give her to him.
I launched that sucker this year already. Remember when I launched her over the stream? These guys were over riding. I went through this little stream, this little creek, and got stuck. I said, fuck this. I went back, eyed it up, went through it, caught some nice dry dirt. Fucker took off on me.
You like the High Line up here, then?
Nope. No.
I'll eat the shell.
What the heck you did? Heat that up.
It's gonna take a while. It's like you guys are cooking that food out of the pilot light.
Keep on turning it. Till light.
More.
There.
Is that enough? I hope so. I better have some beans since we got a
Super Cycle weekend. So what do they have there normally?
Super Cycle.
This is just a chance. This is the only chance during this circuit, right?
Super
During
Elite
the 8 to see the
weekend.
Pro Boys, or they'll hit it again.
Nope, that's it.
No, that's it. Once a year.
Ah, so we were out there when for the hot weekend, hey?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Because I know they do a lot of racing here, but they do road racing too, hey?
Otherwise, it's just like the JJs.
Oh, little clubs.
They don't even get to ride out there anymore.
Yeah.
Because of the insurance.
Yeah, so even we went out there that one time when it cost like $4. There was some pretty good racing.
JD's gonna race. They're gonna race State Fair though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought, oh, that's right. He said it was canceled that
They
one
canceled
time.
and kicked it back.
Go sit up by Victory Steel and watch it for free. You don't see all that.
It's fun to watch it. You know people that are racing.
Yeah.
Even guys
Like
that don't go
points,
half as fast as the pros.
Just so you can cut on them.
Man, the pits.
Give me one of them cuts now. Hey, fuck it. I don't care. I had some fucking quesadillas.
You with your farmer's tan.
Hey, fuck it. Who cares?
Goddamn
The
farmer.
reason I didn't get my shirt off is because I know I would have got scored.
Yeah, and then in about 3 days' time when the redness goes away.
Hey, who cares? It's just the beginning of summer. I got no okay, man.
Oh yeah, you got.
You're just a
more thumbs
fucking
here.
macho dude.
You heard.
The badass.
Look at that garbage can over there. Look at this kitchen. We've been in here. We sat here for like 2 hours and look what we did to it.
We should get as messy as we can, and when Cheryl comes
You want to? We should dump the garbage all over the floor. And shit.
No. Put some trigger shit. Lay it up there. Or put some.
How was Trigger? Is she sleeping?
Put some beans in
Here she comes.
I heard you guys.
That's what he did, eh?
Hmm. Kenny's bucket is sitting on your motorcycle. Take home. You smoking it?
Yeah, I'll take it home on the motorcycle.
I'm sure Chuck would have done once.
Oh, what the hey.
Don't say what they hate. Don't you fuck.
Have one and give her.
Tastes horrible. How's it looking here, Chuck?
Does it look like we've been
Great.
working? Gotta
You're
heat
working
this.
up a storm.
We've been building, Chuck.
Guess I don't have to heat this shit up. That's crisp.
We were building, Chuck.
What the hey?
I just showed you guys how to cook first, though.
Oh yeah?
We
Did
didn't
you
know.
show them how to make proper concealers?
And they just kept going nuts on this shit.
Well, you must be a good maker or something.
Yeah.
Cameras, video cameras, and dish trainer. I take a picture
We were
of that.
filming this shit.
We filmed, Chuck.
We filmed how to make this shit.
We had a
What, my
document.
messy kitchen you filmed?
No, we had a documentary of us building quesadillas.
Oh, no.
You'd like it.
I bet you I would.
That's the way to eat it.
No problem, eh?
Here's a tray.
Did you catch the bottle on the table there?
Yeah, I filmed that.
Okay.
Fucking Patrick, you're going crazy.
No, I meant the baby bottle.
We should have. Here's Chachi's trick.
No.
We've been ripping on him.
Yeah, I gathered that. Well, I got a few of my
What's that
flowers.
noise?
TV's on. I got a few of my flowers planted. I'll plant the rest tomorrow. How hot is this supposed to be tomorrow?
These suckers are getting limey.
Chuck, we might have to have some uninhibited sex tonight.
Okay, Rudolph.
Hey!
You got a beautiful red nose.
We did. If I see like 4 tatters dripping on our
Yeah, probably. You don't know which one to put your mouth under.
Won't know which one to cover up.
You're sick.
Sick puppies.
It freaks them out.
Chuck,
when
you
it
want a
starts dripping
quesadilla?
on 'em. Sure, Kevin, would you build me one?
There's nothing left to make it out of.
Oh, okay,
We
never
can put hot
mind.
sauce and beans on it.
Never
I gotta
mind.
put these in the freezer so they don't.
I was gonna put more in my car.
Yeah.
That way it doesn't look
Good
like
ice, but don't know.
That way I look like.
Just save it and wrap it in plastic film.
Hey, you know we can my seat cover on it? We should do it now.
Oh yeah, right.
Oh, you got
They'll be on backwards.
You should have took it with you and wore it on your
Look, I
shoulders.
put it in the microwave.
Really? Nuke that bitch.
Yeah, eat it
Kevin
up.
trying to burn down our house or something before?
Bring that little tray over here, let me hold her.
You better not let him hold her.
Hi, Trig.
She's being good.
Hi, buddy.
She's been grunting and groaning up a storm and putting nothing in her drawers though.
She's been sitting in that chair and the chair will stop.
Mhm.
She's not crying.
No?
When she's just sitting there, I went over there and wound her up and
No.
she gave a couple of snorts one time. I think it took me too long to
This
do it.
is a cool kid, man.
You probably just take it. She's drooling a lot.
Aren't ya? Yeah.
So how come you're not filming when she's smiling?
Well,
Say this,
don't let the
Kevin.
camera's right there.
Don't, Chuck. We don't need it.
Do it. Turn it on.
Dish pan.
Say hi.
Before it was in the
I
cheese.
forgot how to run it.
Make sure all the cheese is off.
There. Now it's working.
Do I have to hold the right button?
No.
Oh, okay.
There's still cheese on the lens.
There's cheese on the lens. There's spots all over the lens.
I know.
Looks like my
It's
girl has
cheese.
zits.
Say hi.
What are you doing,
Quasar Delia.
Jim? There you go.
Say hi, Dana.
Hi, Dana.
Smile if Kevin's a knot. Smile.
She didn't think that was funny.
Smile that Kevin's a knob. Did Kevin wipe today? You heard.
Wipe.
Hi everybody! My name's Dana. I went out to the races today. I watched Kevin wipe.
And see what I was drinking? See? I'm drinking my red tangy.
It was a lot of fun. Then I came home.
She's staring at me.
Quesadillas.
See?
Kevin tried to cook it. He almost burned the house down.
Your ticket.
Here's my ticket stub. Hold on to this.
Now it's out there.
Admit one. There you go.
I was there. Poland really sucked shit. But Bubba was hot. Kevin Walensky wiped and turned 5. He's a wimp.
You fucking nerd.
Oh, poor Dana.
Now she's tired.
They don't be a bitch.
You suck.
Oregon suck.
I'm not able to read the minutes of our last meeting. My dog chewed him up.
And you're gonna fall asleep. It's 10 o'clock at night.
Her daddy's already asleep.
Look at her. Wing, ding, 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 ding. You hold your head up real nice. You hold your head up real nice.
She's launching.
We'll put her in her swing.
Being launched.
She doesn't mind it. Fine. Into your swing. We'll swing and go to sleep, okay? 10 o'clock at night.
Swinger.
You gonna talk? Can you talk now?
Hey.
Guy, yeah.
Give her.
See, I know how to talk.
See, Suzuki suck.
Can you say that? Can you say Suzuki sucks? Yeah.
Yeah. That's what she implied.
It was close.
It was close, but Suzuki sucked. I like the way she looks around him. Oh.
Is there enough light over there?
Yeah. I can see it.
You can see it, eh?
Yeah.
10 o'clock, Sunday. We're all clear.
Well, that's really a big thing of coke you're mowing down.
It's all gone. The big drink, you betcha.
What is all this stuff here with the faces on it and the little
That's
mirror?
right, activity blanket.
Hey,
So she can see
see you
herself.
later. Later,
See it,
bud.
Pat? See it makes noises?
I'm gonna go sit up and wipe the other side of
That's
my
a teething ring, a jingle bears,
10 o'clock at night.
a rattle, and this is
shit.
Jerry the giraffe. He just hangs around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And look at him. He
Yeah,
just
there's
hangs
Dad.
around.
I'm wiped. It's been wiped.
That's mine.
Oh, okay, well, you can take it home with you. Take Kenny's pail home with you, too.
Yeah, right.
Mm-hmm.
Was I supposed to call you or you were gonna call me? At what, 10? Your time?
Whoa!
Did some races today, you know?
Yeah,
I gotta get Tom in there too. Just make sure Tom gets in there.
he's in there. Didn't get nothing good at George yet, though. I could have.
Yeah, it was funny though.
Durable quality construction. And here's a special bonus.
Computers, car stereos, come with lights, microwave ovens, refrigerators, a water bed for big. Hard at work. Rob Diamond? Yeah, Richard. What's his name? Richard. Richard what? Henry Richard. Yeah, he ended up smoking. He was 28 years old. Didn't he have a while? Fuck. He's gonna come wide up, he's just gonna wipe bad. Ray's walking right in his way. Look out, Ray! Do it! Fuck yeah! Yeah! So what? Go! I know. Do it! to be in the law. Yeah, that was good. They just don't make them like that anymore. Hey, this guy's selling cars off the Pontiac. That car, he's camping here for a few days. No one's in the yeah. Yeah, definitely. I love this shit. I crashed another one. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
Kevin? Because I know you're going to scream after I change your britches so that we'll finish the bottle. Look at Kevin.
The way she wants to look.
She wants to sleep. Yeah. Oh, thank you. That was nice. That was a nice girl. Yeah. That's just who she is. Oh. That was a nice burp.
Bah!
Nice burp.
Bah! Cat.
Yeah, you gotta have your britches changed. They make them messy.
Tiggy.
Meow. You did make messy. Meow.
Oh, Tiger, a hard day's sleep. Must be rough to be a cat, isn't it? Huh? for piss. See, I always told you that little trucks were for piss. I was right. Gotta get the big ones.
All right, we'll just put the pants on ya. We'll just put the pants on ya. Yeah. Yeah. You gonna smile, huh? Does that make you feel so much better? Does that make you feel so much better? Hmm? Yeah. Yeah. Are you smiling? Are you smiling? What? Are you ever talking? Yeah. Are you ever talking? Yeah. I'll tell someone to watch you when I go through that way. Tell the kid to watch you. Look at the kid. Look at Kevin. Look at Kevin. There you go. Come on, look at Kevin. Don't look at you. Yeah. Don't look at me. Look at Kevin. Oh, you ever talk?
Ah.
There, look at Kevin. There you go. Say hi to Kevin. Oh.
Hey, you look like Baron von Raschke.
Come on. Oh, are you ever talking? Yeah, you are ever talking. Oh, you
Hi.
Pizza.
Oh.
Guess what? So, 2 guys left me $6 for a tip today.
6 apiece?
No, together.
Somebody new, huh?
Mhm.
Oh.
Hi, Dana.
Well, that was pretty neat. Huh? So how much did you make altogether?
I didn't include it.
What? How much was their bill? 5? No, that is pretty funny. Ask Sarah if she wants to finish feeding you. Huh?
I have to change.
Yeah, tell her you can finish me feeding my bottle.
I don't know what you're talking
Dana,
about.
if you smile.
Oh, sure.
I don't know what you're
Smile.
talking about.
Is she ever talking? Yes, you are ever talking. Yes, you are ever talking. Yeah. Come on.
Tiger's talking.
Come on. You want to smile some more, too? Huh? Come on. Smile some more.
Ah.
Hey, Butchie.
Look at Kevin.
Hey, Butchie. Butchie.
Oh, my name is Butch.
Hey, Dick.
Speaking of my brother, he hasn't called me in years.